Go.
So there's 24 of us in the whole tira, and then there's 6 of us known as Te Rōpū Rangatira. So we're the tuakanas of the whole rōpū, and we sort of help Rob and Tala lead everything, and we delegate. They've been steering this whole kaupapa for us for the Tarawhiti Festival. That's what we're leading up to.
Kua roa e wawatana e whakaro ana mo te tei kaupapa pēnei, te whakahuihui i ngā rangatahi, o tō mātou kāinga o te Tarawhiti nei, i te mea koe nei te kai ngākau a ngā rangatai, ara, ko te Waiata. Ko ngā tama, ātiki rātou katoa.
Katoa.
Waiatai he nanakia, waiatai he aha.
Whanoke.
Whanoke, waiatai, māngai nui.
Where the hope?
Ahua rere ki ngā kōtiro. Umari a tātou kōtiro.
From here on in, we're going to be jamming with the band. The whole focus with this wānanga is gelling the sound with our whānau and creating moments, energy, moods.
I'm feeling pretty good. I was seeing all the boys, we're getting along, just jamming. The band's awesome. That really is. Helps us move on to the next level.
Just tingles through my body. Seeing as they start playing, just my head goes somewhere else.
Tauhau mātou ki ngā kia nei mahi te wetewete I ngā arrangements. Yeah, aua mahi mō ngā kaupōro. Well, e noho wehi ana mātou I te hewa.
We thought it'd be good to include those 3 mātāporo into our theme song.
Yeah,
just
you
to
know,
show who we
just
are.
flap from right in the air.
Yeah.
You know, te whakapono, te tūmana.
What we're here to
Me te
do.
aroha, te kaupapa o tēnei tira.
Do I have a game plan for things like this? No, I never do, and I try not to because it's always hard to try to set yourself up for greatness. No, I'm joking.
When Uncle Rob approached me last night, asked me if he can use my song, if he would.
Kia wana e mea nui tērā, he taonga kai roto I a rātou, pēnei me te tito Waiata, e tika ana kia chicken atu tērā, me te whakarangatira I tērā taonga.
Increase the volume and the passion. We need to smile and we need to listen to each other, you know, like know who's singing, who's not singing, know what notes they're singing so that you can blend in.
Welcome to Tour Life. We are now together for the next week.
The festival has started, we have a big week ahead, it's all on.
So what we do now is we just miri it all out. Yeah, come on.
And only 100 more to go.
So this is the outfit in action. We've got Converses here. Girls couldn't afford them, they spent their budget. Everyone looks cool.
Nervous, because I'm not too sure if I'm gonna crack my note.
But it doesn't matter whether there's one person or 100 people. You give everything.